While we're waiting on the girls, I'm going to use the restroom real quick.
Alright, I'll keep everyone occupied then.
Alrighty.
Ooh, excuse me, Ma. Oh, this is certainly turning out to be very interesting. Fuck that car alarm, I hear. Bottle caps and water? You referencing... Dude, the thing that you're referencing Fallout there, Obscurus. And I commend you for that.
Well, I don't know if the microphone picked it up or not, but I think I heard a car alarm going off.
No, I definitely heard it.
Huh. Well, must be a guy in the parking lot down below. I wish my AC would be fucking fixed so I don't have to hear shit.